Every morning starts with a small act of devotion, a breath, a quiet moment, and the choice to step back into the garden again. Before the sun even settles on the soil, I lace my shoes and I remember why I come out here, to keep a promise to myself and to the people who came before me.
Welcome back to Curious Greens. My name is Tammy, and today we're exploring the start of a garden that holds a whole lot of intention.
Every garden has a beginning. Sometimes it's a single seed. Sometimes it's a memory that stays with you even when you're not paying attention. Mine started long before I ever picked up my first seed packet. When I was a kid, my grandfather grew tomatoes and peppers like they were old friends. My grandmother, she grew collard greens with a patience that you could feel from across the yard. I didn't understand any of it then, but I do now.
This space, this is me, finding my way back to that kind of knowing, not rushed, not perfect, just rooted.
December in a desert garden isn't loud. It's a month that speaks in hushed tones. It's cool mornings, quiet soil, and roots settling in for the season. This isn't the season of urgency, it's the season of deepening. If you're growing in Zone 9A with me, this is when leafy greens and cool season roots do their best work. Cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, spinach, onions, even peas. They love this air. They settle in, strengthen, and sweeten as the nights get cooler. Some crops prefer warmth. Tomatoes, peppers, melon, squash, their season will come, but not today. The garden is full of reminders that timing is its own kind of wisdom.
For now, I'm building this garden one bed at a time and, honestly, one breath at a time.
I want this space to feed my family first, and one day, our community. But today, it's you and me, learning as we go. Soon, I'll show you how to start seeds for early spring. The simple rhythm that keeps growing everything steady. It's gentle, it's slow, and it works. Thank you for being here with me today, honestly. Curious Greens is a place where we grow with the earth, but also with ourselves. This is where roots run deep, where family comes first, where the journey feels just as sacred as the harvest. This is Curious Greens, growing with the earth and finding our roots together.